Mendeleev's periodic table. Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, discovered that elements, after arranging them in the increasing order of atomic mass with similar chemical properties, occurred periodically. In 1869, he stated this observation in Mendeleev's periodic law. He also discovered that a periodic function repeats itself after a certain interval. Hence, according to the periodic law, the chemical and physical properties of elements repeat themselves after certain intervals when they are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass. A tabular arrangement of the elements based on the periodic law is called periodic table. Mendeleev arranged all elements in their increasing order in horizontal rows till he encountered an element that had properties similar to the first element. He placed this element below the first element and thus started the second row of elements. This helped him to arrange all the known elements according to their properties. He was thus able to create the first periodic table.